So I have my CookUnity box that arrived today, and for those of you who are new here, I'm Annette. I talk about money, travel, real life, and making decisions that support the life you actually want to live. And today we're talking about food, travel, and convenience, because camping sounds cute until everybody is hungry. You don't feel like cooking, and suddenly one quick meal out turns into a whole unexpected expense. That is exactly what I'm trying to avoid. All right, so we got my CookUnity, but before I open this box, go ahead and subscribe, because this is the kind of real life planning we talk about over here. My goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if we hit that goal, I'll donate $50 each in honor of 5 subscribers to the Folds of Honor Scholarship that helps military dependents pay for their college education. So once you subscribe, comment your name below so I can add you to the randomizer and your name might be selected. So now, let's get into this box, y'all. CookUnity. This is my CookUnity box that I'm using to take camping. So I ordered 8 meals, all of them are vegan. And the reason I went this route is because when we travel, it comes with this little ice pack. Put it on the floor. Especially when we camp, food become one of those like hidden stress points. You think you're just gonna grab something, then you realize the options are limited. You know, those lines are long, or the prices are higher than you expected. And when you're vegan, like me, sometimes it gets even trickier. So I wanted meals that I already knew that I could eat. They were easy to pack, easy to heat, easy to plan around, and I've tried these before. So these are meals that I know work for me. Okay, first meal is this one. It's a sweet potato and lentil korma. This is one of the meals that I picked because it looked filling, but still simple enough for a camping trip, and that matters to me. It's fresh, it's got chickpeas in it, y'all. And when I'm on vacation, I want the food that feels good, but I don't want the meal I really don't want it to become a project. And this is by Reset with Angelia Cole. And this is the kind of thing I can see myself eating after we get settled, especially if we arrive and nobody feels like cooking. So perfect, nice, lots of sauce. All right, so now let's talk about meal number 2. So this is bean and corn stuffed sweet potato, again by Angelia Cole. So this is a sweet potato that I have here. Love this one. Fresh vegetables, fresh chives, vegan cheese on here, y'all. And I love this one. It comes with sauce. What kind of sauce is this here? It's an onion, lime. Well, it says onion, lime, red onion, vegan cheddar cheese, everything. I think it has like a little chimichurri sauce. But these meals come frozen. And I love this sweet potato. And just Angelia Cole, I love her meals. Like I said, I've tried these before, so I love the bean and corn stuffed sweet potato. And this is what these come in, like this pack. And once you're done with it, you can send it back. When you have your next order, CookUnity, you place your next order, they come and pick this up. So you put back in the ice pack and they swap it out. So you can continue, reduce, reuse, recycle with your next meal. All right, next meal is baked tofu tiki masala. Again, Reset by Angelia Cole. And you may have a different chef that's in your area, but I love Angelia Cole's. This baked tofu tiki masala is 480 calories, 16 grams of protein, 33 grams of fat, 34 grams of carbohydrates. I exercise, so I'm good with all that. But this is baked tofu tiki masala. And this one, I would say you can see a little bit better. So it comes with a baked potato. You see your tofu, there's sauce in here. This sauce you can use to put your tofu in, mix it with the potatoes, but look at that greenery there. It is in sections. Some of my sauce did get over here a little bit, but once you put this, you can freeze this so you don't have to eat it right away. You can always eat it, freeze it, eat it later. And you pop it in the oven for about 7 minutes, I think. 12 to 15 minutes in the oven, 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave. Again, Reset by Angelia Cole, this CookUnity one. Then we have the taco bowl. So I love the taco bowl. Because these are vegan, a lot of them do come with vegetables. So some of them you do want to eat right away, not put in the freezer. So the taco bowl It has black beans and quinoa. So this is by Andres Mendez. So that it even has their picture on it, well, some of them picture on it. So Andres Mendez cooks this one, made this one. This one's 480 calories, very healthy. This one has quinoa, mango, guacamole, crispy tortilla strips, y'all. All of this is fresh. And I'm gonna show you how fresh this one is. Some of them do come frozen because of the shipping and everything. This taco bowl, this fresh mango, my mouth is watering. Look at this. Look how fresh. That is fresh corn. That is, the black beans are canned, but you got red bell pepper, you got tricolor quinoa, you have avocado, corn tortillas. I can't wait to eat this one. And it's easy to pack. What I'm gonna do when I go camping, I'm gonna put everything back in this bag, take it with me. So I don't have to repack another cooler. I'm gonna take it all with me. And this guacamole dip that you put with it, chef's kiss, y'all. Love it. So this one is the taco bowl with quinoa, with black beans and quinoa by Andres Mendez. Again, love, love, love this one. Look at that fresh spinach. Look at that, that's not frozen. That's fresh. He pulled that out of the bag and put it in there. Love it. All right, listen, it's cold. Another ice pack, y'all. They want to keep your food so you don't get food poisoning. They want to keep it fresh for you. Nice and cool. This is insulated, this bag. All right, let's look at the okra and mushroom gumbo. All right, now, I will say I've tried a lot of these, but I have not tried this one. So this is by Kenneth Miner. I have not had his food before, but I'm excited to have it. This one's 440 calories. It says put it in the oven for 350. So we're staying in an Airbnb, even though we're going to be at Jetty Park. So we will have an oven to use, but if we didn't, we have a microwave. All right, okra and mushroom gumbo. Ooh, is this jasmine? Oh, coconut lime rice. Look at that rice. So good. Wait a minute, what's in the rice? Green onions in the rice. Lime juice. Got some coconut oil. I'm excited about this one. And I'll say this, if you don't think it has enough vegetables, you can always add to it, put something on the side. But I just have mine like this, like just like this. It's enough fiber in here for me to keep me full. All right, so this one is the okra and mushroom gumbo by, like I said, Kenneth Miner. All right, so that's that one. All right, so like I said, I really like, wait a minute, ooh, okay, no. All right, so this is another one, all right, for you vegans out there. Miguel Zamudio, hopefully I'm saying that right. A tofu poke bowl. All right, look at this picture, he's there, so you can see who's preparing your food. This one's 420 calories, has tofu, and I'm all for fresh. I'm trying to be a raw vegan. Sometimes you can't always be a raw vegan, especially when you're camping. So this is the tofu poke bowl. All right, look at that, fresh. So it's got tofu, you can see the greens. It's black rice, red cabbage, green onion, mini bell peppers, lime, radish, carrots, tahini paste, all of that is in here. This is why I love CookUnity, especially when I'm traveling on the go. Even if I just have a quick night where I have like, say I come home from work and then I have a counseling call, something like that. I can use these and just pop in the oven for 12 minutes and it's done on 350, never more than 350. All right, so then you have Miguel Zamudio again, and I have had this one. So this is the Pharaoh. I've had the tofu poke bowl too, y'all. I've had that a lot. So my first one, Kenneth Miner was the first one I've had. So Miguel Zamudio has a Pharaoh and baked tofu bowl. So look at that one. All right, and look, you can see it has all of the details in it about the nutrition, about the ingredients, about how to heat it up, everything. It's all on here for you. So you get home from work, you have a busy day, like me, y'all, like I work 2-3 jobs. So like, this is perfect, just popping it in the oven. Now, I really love the Pharaoh and baked tofu bowl. So this is what comes in it. Look how packed that is. They separate all of the ingredients. It's not thrown together. So you have the tofu, you have the soybeans, red bell pepper, canned black beans, sweet potatoes, pumpkin seeds, broccoli, zucchini, all of that. I love it. Look at those vibrant colors. So you know you're eating healthy. When you have something that's bland, like white rice and potatoes and things like that, but when you see all of these colors, you see those colors, you know you have a lot of nutrition that's packed in these meals. Again, like I said, it's perfect for camping because I wanted something quick and easy. All right, I got another tofu poke bowl because I love the poke bowl. Okay, this might even be a better picture. Look at those. Look at that vibrant color. All right, so these are my CookUnity meals. Again, I just unboxed these. This was my reorder. My husband gifted me this for Christmas, and I said I really love these, so I get them periodically. And again, it is perfect for just these quick meals when I'm traveling, when I'm busy at the end of the day. You can definitely check out the link in the description of this video if you just want to try it out. Got a little reward for you there. And like I mentioned at the top of this video, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by year end. If we do that together, I will donate $50 in the honor of 5 subscribers. So your name will be entered into the scholarship for the Folds of Honor Scholarship. As a military veteran, that is important to me. My daughter is my dependent. She has received the Folds of Honor Scholarship, so I want to bless other dependents of military veterans so that they can further themselves in their education. So subscribe, and don't forget to check out CookUnity. And if you do subscribe, put your name in the comments so that I can put your name when I submit for the Folds of Honor Scholarship in your honor. I thank y'all for being here, and if you are interested in eating healthy. Now, I'll say CookUnity is not just for vegans. They have all types of diets, and you may have different chefs that are in your local area. These are the ones that are in my local area where I can get my food shipped safely to me in this cooler with these ice packs, y'all. So if you have a different diet, you're not vegan, you're vegetarian, you eat all types of food, they have a lot more meals. With the vegan meals, you probably have about 10 to 15 options at the max, but it is a good variety that you can put into your diet, in your meal plan. So definitely check it out, and I am going to enjoy my trip to Jetty Park in Port Canaveral, Florida, and catch me in that video. So thank you for joining me. Like I said, if you are interested in CookUnity, I'll leave a link below so you can just try it out for yourself. Thanks, y'all.